Steps by John Coltrane. Here I've put together a simple chord melody that you can play on the tune. And next up, we're going to play through this again, but this time with standard notation, tablature, and the Guitar Pro neck diagram. Then I'll take you through the arrangement step by step, followed by a brief rundown of the chords and chord progression. The melody itself is not too difficult. The real challenge is in the improvisation. Check out our free guide to improvisation. Link to that is in the description down below. Okay, well, let's get started. Now that we've played it again, let's work on the step by step. We'll begin here in position 13 for B major 7. We go to D7. On this G major 7, I'm omitting string 5, but you can include it if you like. And B flat 7. Again, I'm going to omit string 5, but I'll put it in here for now in case you want to include it. And then E flat major 7, voicing would be a major 9. Then we're going to stay in position 5. We play A minor 7. This is an A minor 9. And then D9 there. Going up to G major 7. Okay, and then we're going to position 6. So okay, E flat major 7, then F sharp 7, very similar to before. And B major 7. So it'll be a B major 9. The chord symbols just describe the basic harmony. F minor 9, and then B flat 9, going to E flat major 7 or major 9, A minor 7 or A minor 9, D9, position 4, up to the G major 7, C sharp minor 7. Okay, here we're keeping the same note on top, but dropping down to F sharp 7 or F sharp 13, going up to B major 7. Okay, then we're going to go F minor 7, keeping the same note on top again, B flat 7 or B flat 13, up to E flat major 7. If you can't quite reach this, you may try to do a different voicing, maybe here in position 15. Okay, and then position 14, the C sharp minor 7 to the F sharp 7. Okay, so here we have B major 9. Again, so we're just starting this all over again. D7, G major 7, B flat 13, to the E flat major 9, A minor 9, D9, G major 7, position 6, B flat 7, E flat major 7, F sharp 13, over into B major 9, F minor 9, B flat 9, E flat major 9, A minor 9, D9, G major 9, C sharp minor 9, F sharp 13 to B major 9, F minor 9, B flat 13 to E flat major 9. And then you can take a solo break. Now that we've gone over the chord melody voicings, let's talk about the basic chords for comping or just being aware of the chord progression. We have B major 7, D7, G major 7, B flat 7 to E flat major 7. Then we have A minor 7 to D7 to G major 7. From there we go up to B flat 7, E flat major 7, F sharp 7 to B major 7. Then we have a cycle of 2 5s. F minor 7, B flat 7, E flat major 7, A minor 7, D7 to G major 7, C sharp minor 7 to F sharp 7 to B major 7, and then back to F minor 7, B flat 7 to E flat major 7, and then we get back to the top of the form by playing C sharp minor 7 to F sharp 7. So there we have a simple chord melody to play, and we know the basic chord voicings and the progression. Thanks for watching. Please remember to download our free guide to improvisation. It's a 6-part email series. You have plenty of downloads and explanations. Also check out our website, fretprints.com, where we have a 7-day trial, free, where you can work on sound slice exercises, attend live streams, and much more. Enjoy your practice session, and I'll see you all in the next one.